It's AumSum time!
What if Moon was replaced by Jupiter?
No. AumSum will not allow that.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Moon was replaced by Jupiter, Jupiter is huge in size. Now Earth may have to start revolving around it. Secondly, if Moon was replaced by Jupiter, Jupiter may start reflecting light like the Moon. Nights may seem like early mornings. Thirdly, tides in our oceans are influenced by the Moon. If Moon was replaced by Jupiter, tides will suddenly get much bigger. Fourthly, if Moon was replaced by Jupiter, Jupiter is huge in size. It may block the sun. We might have to live in complete darkness. Fifthly, Jupiter has more than 75 moons. If Moon was replaced by Jupiter, pilots may not have much space left to fly. Lastly, if Moon was replaced by Jupiter, a serious competition to become the first person to walk on Jupiter might begin.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if Jupiter never existed?
No problem. I will give company to Saturn, Jupiter's lonely neighbor.
Oh, AumSum. As per Roman mythology, Jupiter is the god of thunder, lightning, and storms. It is the largest planet in our solar system, and its mass is about 2.5 times the total combined weight of all the other planets in our solar system. Now, if Jupiter would have never existed, it is safe to say that even we would not have existed. Why? Because some scientists believe that during the initial stages of the formation of our solar system, Jupiter's inward migration towards the Sun and then subsequent outward migration away from the Sun and towards Saturn played a vital role in the formation of Mercury, Venus, and Earth. Also, since ages, Jupiter has been protecting Earth from collisions with large asteroids and comets. Lastly, more than 70 moons of Jupiter would have wandered along the solar system as orphans. What if we lived on Jupiter?
Cool. But wait, will I get ice cream on Jupiter?
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if we lived on Jupiter, it is mainly made up of gas. We may have to float around. Secondly, Jupiter has a gigantic storm twice the size of Earth. If we lived on Jupiter, it would be best to avoid that spot. Thirdly, asteroids are known to hit Jupiter frequently. If we lived on Jupiter, living in an asteroid-safe house will be necessary. Fourthly, if we lived on Jupiter, days on Jupiter are only 10 hours long. Getting any work done in a single day would be very difficult. Fifthly, if we lived on Jupiter, Jupiter is said to have no oxygen. We will have to wear oxygen masks all the time. Lastly, if we lived on Jupiter, Jupiter has more than 75 moons. Astronomers will be extremely happy.